mermaid. Isan eh. Saan? Tignan mo yun. Eh? Yun o. Oh. Hi! Wala. Oh, saan? Oo, opo.
Gusto ko punta dito ulit bukas. Kasama sila mama.
Opo.
Bongga yung bote ni Ping ah.
Oh. Pare. Ang daming mairgan dito. Abay ako, tiba-tiba.
Sayang po, hindi na lang po sana yung mental mo.
Picture kayo mga picture.
Kaya na eh. Lang. One, two, three. Isa pa. One, two, three.
Picture mo yan talaga.
Saan? Dami fish? Ha? Shen! Oh, lalaki oh. Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Ito na. Maninig ko pingwit. Malaki. Isa na laki. Happy? Alligator.
Ito.
Biggest
Natin yung iba.
Ano siya?
Ayun.
Yung mga bata. Sina?
Bayaw. Merry Christmas. Oh, lalaki ah.
Kita mo. Tamos.
Mama, iinin kita.
Gurami.
Makainin kita. Magluto ka na. Isla kayo.
Shen,
Station.
ate, rin kayo dito. 1, 2, 3, smile kayo dito.
Bigyan mo yung fish dati.
Buhatin mo siya. Saan? Oh, ano yan? Shen, ate. Dito tayo. Saan sila, nanay? Shen! Ano mo, lalaki oh. Sino, Shen? Lalaki. Punta kayo natin.
Wow!
Oh.
Ang hilapin. Yellow
Ha?
fish. Yellow fish. Saan banda yung ano ne?
Doon, no?
Yun. Yung pa oh.
Daddy, saan yung shark?
Ayan, oh.
Wow!
Oh.
Ang hilapin. Yellow
Ha?
fish. Yellow fish. Saan banda yung ano ne?
Doon, no?
Yun. Yung pa oh.
Daddy, saan yung shark?
Ayan, oh. Doon tayo sa kabila. Saan? Giant. Ano? Bali.
Saan yung shark, Daddy?
Ha? Dito ka. Picturean kita.
Wow!
Picturean ko kayo dito. Ito kayo.
Ang pinantan ko yung shit. Doon kayo mapipit ang dalawa. Hindi kayo
Siyan. Hindi to. Ate, hindi to. Isin.
Ate, saan?
Lalaki ah.
Ang laki oh.
Saan ako magbibideo ha?
Ito na yun. Dami.
Oh, dito, doon tayo papasok sa ano.
Sakpa. Ang tuturo. Dito na siya video kayo. Wow.
Bakit tatakbo?
Dati parang hindi totoo fish.
Totoong fish yan.
Parang ano lang. Parang
Ha? Ni. Ate.
Dali.
Lolo.
Kinakain na tayo.
Wow. 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 Amazing. Ha? Wait lang, nandito na tayo eh. Pa-picture muna kayo dyan sa may mga ano, jellyfish. Jelly is. Ayan na. Yan, ayun. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh, gagano ko na lang video yan. Oh. Ako nakukuha. Tawal ng flash. Dito.
Ano ba meron?
Real penguin.
Christmas village niya.
Ticket, ako na kumuha po. Thank you. Oh my God, Asian.
Thank you very much.
Hey guys. So, maglalayo lang. Ano sa lesin?
Racing. Hindi to. Picture.
Here we go!
Galing ah, yan ah. Oh, galing.
Wow, what a beautiful aircraft! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Bergs, and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis. Together with trainer Jerry, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer John, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fin or feathers for marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term flipper may be also translated as wing stem, since their flipper to loosen one like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of a run of applause for Sea Lion Pride.
Palakpak na ako, palakpak na ako yan.
They
Yay!
have these long and flexible net. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sea Lion Pride? As you can see, their bodies covered
Galing.
with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice mind. Hey. They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small sternal ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky cliffs with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities. And let's start with Isis, the prettiest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the roving movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Isis and Trainer Jerry. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to. Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexiest? Wow, nice, girl. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yeah, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought to recognize in a point underwater mines. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? sea lion in a salute. In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what words? Repeat. Go ahead and get the sea lion friends. And they got it. How about a round of applause for Isis and Sandra? Great job, ladies. And another one. Asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Go, Isis. Careful. Steady and fantastic. A round of applause for Sea Lion fans. Excellent work, ladies. Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance?
Yes!
Well, here it, maestro. Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody, come on.
Yay!
Now, hold it side by side. And the flippers dancing. Rock roll Isis into the water ballet. Twisted and turning. What a beautiful twisting, Sandra. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, let me show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Our favorite one, the booty shaker. Shake the booty. Go, players. Yeah, and keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera, because this is the best part. Steady it. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady it. Let's go. Yeah! Round of applause for Sea Lion friends and the trainer Alpha for the great dance number. Is City.
Galing, galing.
We hope you all
Clap,
enjoyed
clap, clap.
here in Aquatica with our new conference, the South American Sea Lions, Isis and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions that can train animals can survive at harsh built environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollutions, they are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and
Thank you.
You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that
Tapos na kami sa Ocean Park. Punta na kami sa MOA.
Isang A naman.
Thank you pala po birthday. Happy birthday, Sophie!
Ala kuya, pasensya na po kayo, may kami.
Manager mo, Sophie.
Yay! Isang easy rin. Yay!
Malakas pala si Sophie.
Eh, ka muna bago pumunta sa MOA. Eh! Eh, ka muna, eh.
Eh.
Yay, naiingit eh. Ika na.
Ito, spider.